So you can see all these teams are generated and all these teams are very accurate because hi guys, in this video we are going to create the best teams for today's match between CSK versus Delhi Capitals. So first of all, let's click on cricket here. In this video we are going to use advanced generation section for creating the teams because it is very powerful section for creating the winning teams. So first of all, let's click on generate teams here and we are going to select Dream 11 as the fantasy application and continue, and we need to choose the series which is IPL and after that continue. And there are a lot of types of generations available here. I am going to go with advanced generation section. If you don't have any knowledge about the match, you can go with the above three sections, but advanced generation section is very powerful section, so let's go with this one. And you need to choose the teams here. The match is in between CSK versus Delhi Capitals and after that continue, and we need to give the match number. You can give any match number because whatever the teams you generate in this software, those teams will be stored within your device. So in order to store the teams, we need the match number. You can give any number. So I am going to give 201 and after that continue, and we need to select at least 6 players from each team. So I am going to go with the probable playing 11 for the today's match. So from the CSK side, MS Dhoni, Faf du Plessis, Suresh Raina, Gaikwad, Raidu, and Moeen Ali, Jadeja, Sam Curran, and Shardul Thakur, Hazelwood, and KM Asif. So these are the 11 players from CSK side. After the toss, you can decide if any changes are there. You can decide after the toss. And from the Delhi Capital side, I am going to select all the 11 players. Rishabh Pant, Shikhar Dhawan, Shreyas Iyer, Prithvi Shaw, Steve Smith, and Hetmeyer, and Akshar Patel, Rabada, and Ashwin, and Avesh Khan, and Not J. So these are the 22 players from both the teams, and after that continue. And we need to select the fixed players. So I highly suggest you to fix Rishabh Pant. So I don't want Dhoni to be in the playing 11. As far as the fantasy concerned, Dhoni is not a good fantasy player. He is a good cricketer but not a good fantasy player. And I would like to suggest you to fix Kagiso Rabada. Also is a very good bowler, so we need to fix him. I suggest you to go for it. And also if you want to fix, you can also fix Hazelwood because he is bowling death over, so the chances of taking wickets is more. So you can also fix Hazelwood, or if you want to leave, that is also fine. And Gaikwad is in also good form. You can also fix him if you want. And so I don't want to take any risk because fixing batsman is little risky one, because if a good ball is there, he might get out for a single digit score. So fixing batsman is not a good idea. So you can fix the bowlers because that is more secured way. So you can also fix Avesh Khan if you want, and after that continue. I don't want to fix Avesh Khan. I only fixed Kagiso Rabada and Rishabh Pant, and after that continue. And also we need to select the captain players: Rishabh Pant, Shikhar Dhawan, Shreyas Iyer, Prithvi Shaw, and Steve Smith. You can select these players and Kagiso Rabada and Avesh Khan. And from the CSK side, Faf du Plessis, Ruturaj Gaikwad, Moeen Ali, Ravindra Jadeja, and Hazelwood. These are the players you can select for captain selection, and after that continue. And for vice captain selection, you can also select these players. I would like to, for vice captain you can select more players, so there will be no problem here. And from the DC also I would like to select all these players for vice captain, and after that continue. And we need, I suggest you to select all the 4 strategies because today match is a little risky one. I mean, we don't know who is a stronger team. Both the teams are very strong teams, so I would like to suggest you, I would suggest you to select all these 4, and after that continue. And give the credit range as 98 to 100, or you can give 98.5 to 100, that is also fine, and after that continue. And I suggest you to go with only single wicket keeper strategies here. In this match you go with the single wicket keeper strategies. You can select all these single wicket keeper strategies and that's it. And after that continue, and we need to give the number of teams you want to generate. You can generate any number of teams, but I am going to go with 20 teams, and after that click on generate teams. So you can see all these teams are generated, and all these teams are very accurate because we have given our strategies along with the software. So these teams are very powerful teams. I hope you guys like this video, and if you like this video, please go ahead like this video. If you don't like this video, you can dislike this video. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard, stay in fight.